In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the status of your tasks in ClickUp. Whether you're tracking progress, managing your workload, or simply staying organized, updating task statuses is an essential part of your workflow. Let's walk through this simple process together so you can keep your projects moving smoothly. First things first, we'll start by navigating to ClickUp. So go ahead and open your preferred browser and type in the ClickUp URL or open the ClickUp app if you're on a mobile device. Once the homepage loads, you'll want to log in using your credentials if you haven't already. Getting to your list of tasks is the first step to better organization and productivity. Now that you're inside ClickUp, we're going to delve into a specific space or directly into a task. This space could be a project category or any folder where your tasks are organized. You can access it from the left-hand menu where all your spaces, lists, and folders will be displayed. Click on the appropriate space or task list that contains the task whose status you want to change. Next, once you're inside the correct space, take a moment to locate the specific task you're working with. Tasks are usually displayed in a list or board format. Once you navigate to the task list, you'll notice that each task is accompanied by a small circle right next to its name. This circle is key to updating the status. Hover over it or click on it, and you'll see it highlights or opens up options for changing the task status. After clicking on that little circle beside the task, a drop-down menu should appear showcasing various statuses you can select from. These could range from to do, in progress, under review, completed, and any other custom stages your team might have set up. For our example today, we're going to change the task status to in progress. Simply click on the preferred status from the drop-down menu and you'll see the change reflected instantly. This visual update helps you and your team members see at a glance where everything stands. And there you go, you have successfully changed the status of your task in ClickUp. Refreshing the task status is an effective way to communicate with your team, increase transparency, and make sure everyone is aligned on what's in progress, what's completed, and what's yet to be started. Remember, regularly updating task statuses keeps everyone on the same page and helps identify any roadblocks early on. By keeping these steps in mind, you can maintain an efficient and organized workflow. If you have any other questions about using ClickUp or need further assistance, feel free to explore their help center or reach out to their support for guidance. Thank you for watching and keep making strides towards productivity.